Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're going to Kapetanios Bay Hotel here in Protaras. There it is. Quite a nice hotel, guys. We've been in here a couple times before, and just outside are the hire bikes. You get these in all hotels. Just see reception if you fancy hiring one of these push bikes, guys. So what a great location, guys, right on the main road. There's the main road, guys, where all the restaurants and the bars are. In fact, there's an ice cream shop just across the road, Hans and Gretel. Across the road is the Sphinx bar, guys. So let's go in. Oh, they've got a restaurant as well, open to the public as well as guests to the hotel. We'll have a look through, see what they've got to offer. Look, halloumi, €8 for starters. Got loads of stuff. Avocado salad, €12.50. They've got platters around €10. Combo platter, €25 for 2 people. Sandwiches, the famous Cyprus sandwich, €13. So there we are, the Deck restaurant. Deck all day restaurant. Oh, there's a kids playground as well at the back of the restaurant. That's a good idea. So guys, we're going to go around the side and then we'll go into the hotel, have a look at one of the rooms and see what's going on. Now this is the side entrance, guys. The reason I came around the back, guys, is to show you the magic dancing water show right at the back. Little added bonus, guys, if you've got a balcony just round the back here, you get a free show every night, and it won't disturb your sleep, guys, because it finishes around 9:30, 10 o'clock, so I wouldn't worry about getting some sleep. So you get a free show every night. Marvelous. And it is a great show, guys. There it is at the back. So let's have a look around the pool area. And I do remember there's a separate pool for adults. I can't remember now. Yeah, there is, and I'm sure it's for adults. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Oh, that smells delicious. They're having chips and dips. Oh, loads of conveniently located comfortable chairs everywhere. Massive cushions, look on these sunbeds. There's umbrellas as well. Look at this beautiful infinity pool. Oh, I do like the tiles. So let's work our way around the grounds. So we've got steps going into the pool on the left and steps here on the right, guys. Showers, we've got showers here on the right. Oh, more little pools. What's that over there? Oh, that's the kids' pool at the back, guys. There's the showers over there. Lovely gardens. There's the pool bar. And there is another pool bar, guys. It's a swim up pool bar, and I do believe it's for adults only. Let's go around this way, guys, get a better view. So there's the pool bar. Oh, crisps, they're nice. And we've got these beautiful bar stools. Oh, conveniently located comfortable bar stools. There's a stage at the back, guys, for entertainment. More of these lovely sunbeds and umbrellas everywhere. And as we go around, look at this. Isn't it beautiful area? This is the adults only area, guys, and we've got 4 poster double sunbeds. They look super comfortable. That'd be nice in my garden. Look, it's got shade, isn't it? 4 poster, and look at this. Oh, places for your drinks and food. There's loads of them. Look, right at the back as well. And then here's the beautiful swim up pool bar, adults only, 18 plus. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? Oh, we've got floating sunbeds as well. They're not really floating, guys, but we've seen these in many hotels. They're kind of round the pool area, so you've got water all the way around you, keeping you cool throughout the day. It's a great idea, and those massive cushions there, and I think part of this is a jacuzzi. Yes, I'm right, guys, there it is on the right. Can you see? Beautiful pool, amazing. Look how big those balconies are. All glass front balconies with that lovely blue glass. Oh, the restaurant's lovely. What a nice area to enjoy a slow beer. Right, so let's go down towards the bar, guys, and the actual restaurant for the hotel where you would get your breakfast. Oh, there's a slope. I do like this slope. Oh, it's nice. Look at that, perfect. Oh, ice cream as well. There's a pool table as well. Look right at the edge. Right, let's go inside. Shall we have a look around the restaurant? Now, it's a bit late today, so the restaurant's closed at the moment. As I said, I've been here before. It's a bit dark, but we've got a terrace area at the top there. That's a lovely area, isn't it? There's a stage right in the corner, so I do believe there'll be some entertainment here. And there's a massive buffet area down there on the left. Right in the corner, guys, there's a massive drinks area where you can get your coffee and your tea, and there is these amazing machines, guys, serve you coffee. Look at that. Oh, water, orange juice, apple juice, teas and coffees. What a beautiful area to enjoy breakfast. So let's have a look at one of the rooms, shall we? Oh, look at this, isn't it lovely? Look at the lovely lights. Now let's go in. This is a friend's room, guys, so there'll be a couple suitcases around. Look at this, massive twin beds. They are massive, aren't they, guys? So they're like two single beds put together, making this a massive bed. Conveniently located comfortable chairs and a table, so you can sit here and watch TV. You don't have to lie in bed and watch TV, which I quite like. That's my best feature, guys. Always have a chair. You can sit on the chair and watch your TV. It's lovely and cool in here. The air conditioning is amazing. So beautiful cushions everywhere. We've got a dressing table, little mini fridge, and loads of storage, guys. Oh, I do like these wardrobes. Oh, lovely and soft. There is a safe in there, guys. Let's have a look at the bathroom, then we go out to the balcony. Oh, look at this bathroom. Oh, it looks brand new, doesn't it? So we've got a lovely bath and shower. All bright and wonderful and so clean. All places for your little bits and pieces. That's handy. Let's go out to the balcony, shall we? See what the view's like here. And the views do change around this hotel, as I said before. You get different views as you go round. Now we've got the dancing waters. Oh, there's a bonus. So we've got the dancing waters here, so you can watch the show. And as I said before, the show don't go on too late, guys, so it won't disturb your sleep. And then you've got a fantastic view of the main road. There's the main road, there's McDonald's in front of us, so you can sit here and watch people go past. You could do people watching from here, can't you, guys? What a brilliant location. There's Joker Square down there. There's the Flora all day dining experience. And if you look through the dancing waters, you can actually see the sea. In fact, you can see the boat pier. I can see the pirate ship and the Coca-Cola boat at the moment. So quite a nice view, I think. So guys, this is the lovely reception area, and we've got conveniently located comfortable chairs here. Oh, I do like these ones, very modern, aren't they? And then there's a massive TV so you can watch bits and pieces. There are books you can borrow, guys, and if you finish with your books you can leave them behind for other guests. There they are. Oh, there's even bar stools around the back there. Lots of information about the local area. Lots of information here about the local buses. So maps, more information for you guys. There's more maps here as well, more chairs. Now Easter's coming up, guys. The Orthodox Easter is coming up. It's a month later than the English Easter at the moment. Now there is a band going to be playing here later, guys, so they're just practicing out the front. So guys, the band's just warming up, as I said. Now there is a lovely coffee shop as well. Look at this, what a beautiful coffee shop. Oh, one moment there's ice cream. It's not just a coffee shop, it's an ice cream shop. Whoa, look at all that ice cream, delish. All like that, forest fruit. Now what else have we got in this delish coffee shop, guys? Oh, there's pastries, cakes. Oh, I do like those donuts. Oh, muffins. Oh, they're nice. €1.50 each, very reasonable. So there they are, guys, the junior band. So there you are, guys, the Kapetanios Bay Hotel. What a lovely hotel. I really like that adults only pool. What an amazing pool area and a fantastic location. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.